Hey, what's up, guys? This is Wolf here. In this section, we're going to talk about the overall trend. How do you read trend in the market, and exactly the rules behind the trend and the indicator used for trend. The indicator used for trend is going to be the ones like right here. So the threes, the ones. Sometimes you'll see a two. Okay, like right here. What it means is the threes. When a three prints on your wrinkle bar on your screen, that means that you're at a major part of support or resistance and support, right? You're at a major part, so that means that the market's going to turn around, more than likely with the three. You just got to wait for your other indications, which we'll go over the next sections. But this is how you tell overall trend. So overall trend from right here, let's say the market is right here. Okay, let me take this off for you guys really quick. Okay, let's say the market's right here. It just formed this three, and it's starting to go down. It's still overall going up, okay, because the last three that printed was down at the bottom, which I'll show you right now. Okay, keep going. Okay, right here. So to see how this three is right here, it kept going up because it still needed to create a three at the top. If it creates a three at support, it has to create a three at resistance. So little numbers like ones and twos are going to be in between. Okay, but right now we're talking about threes. Okay, see how it goes up? Boom, forms a three. That means that's a major area of resistance. All right, now after that, using other indicators, you're going to be able to trade only selling after you see that, but you're only buying when you see a three at the bottom and there hasn't been another three created just like this. So in the simplest form, guys, as you guys see, the threes up top. Now we're waiting for a three come at the bottom. That happens right here. So the overall trend from here to here is in a downtrend. As you guys see, it's very clear. Okay, overall trend. I'll zoom out for you guys. Overall trend from this three to this three is an uptrend. As you guys see, the market was moving up and never came back down here where this low three is. Okay, boom. Now let's talk about twos. Twos are still a major trend, but it's more of a major trend inside of the biggest major trend. That makes sense. Okay, it's very simple. There's 3, 2 to 1. 3 is the biggest trend, 2 is the medium, 1 is the lowest. Okay, see how this has a 2 and it prints a 2 here. Okay, you're trading from you're trading depending on what number pops up and what's the overall trends. Okay, so this popped up on top on 2. Okay, and there's a 3 at the bottom, just how this. All this means is this is the overall trend because there's a whole bunch of ones in between. But when a 2 pops up, that means it's going to be a big trend reversal, but not so big as the 3 to 3. Does that make sense? As you guys see here, 2 to 2 is not so big as a 3 to 3, which is way up here. Okay, boom, 2 to 2. Okay, now it usually does one form of 2 to 2 in between a 3 to 3 trend. So if you see a 3 to 3 trend, that means that there's probably going to be one part where there's a 2 to 2 trend like you see here. Okay, now the number ones, you're going to see a lot of those. Number ones are smaller trends, as you guys see here. Boom, boom here, 1 to 1 here, 1 to 1 here, section off like that. But in my knowledge, you want to make sure that you're trading though. If you're going to trade a time in the market where it prints a 1 like this, you don't want to set it to where you're getting out of the market, to right here. Usually, if I'm going to place a trade after prints a 1 and after everything I look for sets up, which what I mean by that is after you watch the next sections of the strategy, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Once I just get in the trade when I need to, I'm probably going to trade it up until I start seeing where there's where the last one was, or if there's a lot of ones in the area, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, let's say this one printed up and I'm ready to sell. Okay, I'm gonna sell it, but I'm probably gonna sell it around. I'm gonna sell it from here to around this area. Okay, I'm gonna take profit around this area. The reason being is because I usually put a line at the last one, like right here. Okay, and I see if the market has reversed. Or market has stopped going that direction a few times at this line. So right there, right there, it stopped. So I'm probably going to go off of this one, this little area where it went up and it stopped and reversed down. It doesn't always have to be a 1. It could be a big major key point where it turned around. This area, and this area. So if I want to, guesstimate, I'm probably going to put it right around here, because I'm able to touch this area and it touches this area, and it shows that 1, 2, 3 points right here was when price turned around. What I mean by that is it went up, bounced off this area, went down. Went up, bounced around this area, went down. Went up, bounced around this area, and then went down. So that's a very key point. Okay, to get technical, I'll probably put it somewhere around here. Okay. Now, look what happened. I would have traded from here down to this line, right around 70 pips. Okay. Then, once I would have saw this pop up, this one, I would look at where is the last time it has resistance. Okay. Where is that at, guys? If you want to buy, right around here, right? From here to this line, I would have traded it up. As you guys see, it's super efficient, but mainly, guys, you guys will figure out the strategy with the next videos you're gonna watch in the next sections. Just know that there's overall trend, there's a medium trend, and then there's a short trend. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Hopefully that helped. See you guys on the next video.